The iconic shad is back, but it's not your grandma's hairstyle. Are you ready to discover the cuts that are effortlessly cool, universally flattering, and taking over the fashion world? 1. Wolf Cut Shag. This edgy variation perfectly blends the shag's layers with the dramatic volume of the mullet. It's ideal for those with thick, wavy hair seeking maximum texture and a fiercely confident, rock and roll vibe that requires minimal styling effort. A fantastic choice for fine hair, the wolf cut offers an illusion of density through its heavy, crown-focused layering. This style introduces movement and lift at the roots, making flat hair appear instantly fuller and more dynamic without heavy products. 2. Curly Shag with micro bangs. The shag is a dream for natural curls, utilizing the graduated layers to distribute weight evenly and prevent the dreaded triangle shape. This cut encourages natural curl definition and bounce, making wash and go styling easier and more defined. This version adds a playful, modern twist with very short fringe that highlights the eyes and brow line. It's especially suited for heart or oval face shapes, balancing the features with its voluminous sides and structured, short bangs. 3. French Girl Shag. Characterized by its effortless, slightly messy texture and soft, full fringe that grazes the lashes. This style is the epitome of chic, low-maintenance beauty, requiring simple air drying to achieve its iconic, undone elegance. Best suited for straight or slightly wavy hair, as the cut relies on subtle, internal layering to create movement without excessive bulk. It frames the face beautifully, drawing attention to the cheekbones and enhancing natural symmetry. 4. Invisible Layer Shag. The modern answer to the classic cut, this version uses internal, invisible layers to remove bulk while maintaining the illusion of a solid perimeter. This creates incredible movement and body without the choppiness of a traditional shag. An excellent choice for long hair that tends to feel heavy and flat. The technique allows for easy styling, providing just enough texture for beach waves or a polished blowout while preserving the length and density. 5. 70s Feathered Shag. This style brings back the iconic sweeping layers and dramatic face framing of the 1970s. The layers are angled outwards and away from the face, adding volume and a glamorous, retro flair that looks exceptional on medium thick hair. It requires a bit more effort to style, typically needing a round brush and blow dryer to achieve the signature feathered swoop. This style is perfect for those who want a dramatic, polished look with serious volume. 6. Disconnected Shag. A bold, editorial take on the shag, featuring extreme contrast between short, voluminous crown layers and significantly longer lengths. This cut is perfect for those seeking a high-fashion, avant-garde style that demands attention. The choppy texture is accentuated by the length difference, making it best suited for straight or slightly wavy hair where the disconnection is clearly visible. It's a powerful statement cut for confident individuals. 7. Baby Bang Shag. A softer, more feminine adaptation of the shag that pairs the classic layers with a delicate, cropped fringe. The baby bangs highlight the upper face while the layers provide essential lift and texture throughout the length. This cut is particularly flattering for petite features or a high forehead, as the short fringe helps to balance and shorten the face's vertical line. It maintains the relaxed shag vibe while adding a sweet, youthful touch. 8. Grunge Shag. Embracing the messy, undone aesthetic of 90s rock. This version is defined by its random, uneven layering and deliberately unkempt texture. It requires almost no precise styling, achieving its cool look through deliberate imperfection. Perfect for individuals with medium to coarse hair who prefer a low-maintenance, rebellious look. The key is in the aggressive texture cutting, which allows the hair to fall naturally into a stylishly chaotic shape. 9. Long Shag with Curtain Bangs. The ultimate universally flattering cut, combining the soft volume of a shag with the slimming, face-framing effect of curtain bangs. The layers add bounce, while the bangs softly highlight the eyes and cheekbones. An excellent choice for a conservative length, as it provides the trendy shag texture without sacrificing significant length. This style works well on almost all hair types and requires minimal commitment. 10. Wavy Beach Shag, specifically designed to enhance and simplify the styling of natural waves. The strategically placed layers lift the waves at the roots and allow them to curl and separate effortlessly, creating a perfect, sun-kissed beach look. This look thrives on sea salt spray and air drying. The layering is kept soft to maintain a fluid, relaxed shape, making it the go-to style for a perpetually vacation-ready, casual appearance.